How would you want to make a significant sum of money online simply by watching videos on any device you have right now? This is a popular strategy for making money online that is also quite simple for beginners. This is also a tactic that will assist everyone in earning money while having fun. Today, I'll show you how to make $30 by viewing 10 videos and $200 by watching 50 videos. You can, of course, continue this procedure indefinitely. But the best part about this strategy is that it's completely free, simple to use, and the websites I'm about to show you are accessible from anywhere in the globe. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'll be sharing the most important tips and tactics with you in the middle. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. The first thing I'd like you to do is visit gg2u.org. This website provides numerous options for you to earn money while watching various videos online. As you can see, they have an extremely high rate of 65 to 85%, which is excellent. The best part about this website is that after you sign up, you can get $1 for free. So now, I want you to enter your first name, email address, username, and password now. When you click on the down arrow of the country part right here, you'll find that they welcome people from all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you're from. After you've finished filling out the information, simply click the orange button at the bottom right here to gain $1. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll be taken to their welcome page, where you can learn more about the platform and see that it's a high-paying source. As I previously stated, they pay you up to 65% to 85% of your earnings, as seen right here. For every 100 coins you collect, you will receive a $1 credit. To give you some background on this website, you will get paid coins for each activity you complete. Furthermore, once you've made $7 on this site, you can start cashing out your money into your PayPal account, or you can choose to receive gift cards if you prefer. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want you to comment down below and type in the initial code, watching videos, as a pre-registration for our $50 gift card giveaways. Remember to watch the video until the end for you to know the simple instructions on how to fully register and win that exciting gift card giveaways. To go back a step, after reading the information on their welcome page, click on this orange "Click to Continue" button right here. After that, you'll be able to access your account. This is your dashboard, as you can see. After you've signed in, you'll notice that they've already given you $1. However, you will need to earn $7 before you can cash out your earnings, so make sure you save up for that by watching videos. As I scroll down, you notice that there are numerous firms and offers to choose from. OfferToru, AdGate Media, AdJam, AdSend Media, along with several more companies are represented. These are all well-known companies that will provide you the exceptional ideas. You can click on any of these companies and complete the offers to earn some money online. I'll give you an example right now. If you click on the AdSend Media company, for example, you'll be taken to a page where you can participate in various offers to earn incentives. Surveys, free trials, app downloads, and video watching are all choices. To begin earning money by watching videos, simply click this video button. After that, you'll be taken to this website where you'll see the face autoplay videos. For every 200 video points earned, you'll receive silver tokens, which will add $1 to $3 to your account. So, to put it in another way, you earn an average of $2 for every video you watch, which is fantastic. If you scroll down, you can now see earn video points by completing any of the offers below. You can view food videos, viral videos, or any other videos that you find entertaining. There are numerous videos that you may view and earn money from. There's no reason to be concerned once you've seen the majority of these videos. Simply scroll down until you see Load More Offers, and you'll see that there are more videos to watch in order to earn your prizes. Click on this orange button right here where it says Start Earning to see a basic example of what videos to watch. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you may begin watching videos and earning money online. Now is the time to show you a few more strategies to help you make the most of your money online. I need you to go ahead and click on the settings button right here on the video, and then select lowest quality setting, which is 240p. By doing so will allow you to watch many videos and channels at the same time, so I need you to follow this. You can now choose and view more videos by looking to the right side of this page. This is where you can earn extra money by watching videos for $2 or $3 each. To securely obtain the point and convert the point into actual money, make sure you watch all the videos to the end. For the final bonus tip, you may view and watch their other videos by clicking on this arrow button right next to the gear setting. For example, when you finish watching the last one, you can watch this one right now. As you can see, this website, gg2u.org, provides you with a variety of videos from which you can earn money. So make sure you go check it right now so you can start earning some money right away. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the final instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift card giveaways. You just need to make sure you're subscribed and are actively leaving a like. You also need to comment down below the unique code that I've given in the middle of every video so I can give rewards to those who I monitored that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it! Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.